Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the new Windows 11 widgets without having to sign into a Microsoft account. So Microsoft has rolled out with numerable widgets in newer release of Windows 11. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay dito lang si start menu, so right click na tayo. And then kailangan lang i-select ang settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select tong accounts. And then dito sa ating accounts, so scroll down. And then select lang natin itong sign in options. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa signing options, scroll down. And then dito lang sa additional settings, yung pinakauna lang na settings mga kaibigan, ito yung Windows require you to sign in again. And then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na to. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-select tong never. So click mo lang yan. And then next, close lang tayo. And then kailangan lang natin mag-restart ang ating PC or your computer. So click mo lang to restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin gamitin ang Windows 11 widgets without signing in. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.